Hello, good morning, good evening, good night. I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH! Today we're going to be chatting you through week 3 of our Veganuary meal plan.
But first, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel because we upload delicious recipe videos almost every single day.
And make sure you hit that notification bell so you find out when we upload a new video.
When we first started eating a plant-based diet, we felt absolutely fantastic. We felt healthier, lighter, and way more energized. It was absolutely amazing.
It was incredible. It was like a revelation, one of the best decisions we've ever made. And we want you to feel the same. So we've created a free 4-week meal plan to help kickstart your year and help you eat a plant-based diet right.
If you're looking for a change in your life and you want to feel less sluggish and be healthier, then we really recommend going plant-based. We've made it super easy with our meal plan, which we're going to talk you through right now.
Now, if you haven't been following along with weeks 1 and 2 and you've just joined us now, don't worry, you can start at any time. These recipes aren't just for Veganuary, but we would say go and watch week 1 and 2 so you get a feel for how it works. The links are in the description.
Before we crack on, we'd really like to get some feedback from you guys about the meal plan so far. So send us over any thoughts or comments or questions on this email address, and we'll get back to you, every single one of you.
We'll also be sending you a short survey with a few short questions, so if you could help us answer that, that would be amazing.
So before we get into it, we want to share our week 3 top facts.
Ooh, that's exciting. I can't wait to hear what they're gonna be.
Oh, here we go. If you're worried about B12, we have an easy hack for you. It's called Magic Dust, and it's called, really, nutritional yeast. Plant-based milks also have B12, and Marmite are packed full of it as well.
So you don't need to take a pill. This stuff has got you covered. Also, omega-3 and 6 are important parts of a healthy diet. Our meal plans are purposefully packed with them. But you can also make sure you're getting plenty yourself by eating loads of nuts and seeds, and flax seeds in particular. And if you like, you can also get a supplement which is derived from algae. We'll drop the link in the description. But if you're following our plan, you are all good.
You are super, super good. So, without further ado, let's talk about our recipes.
Ooh, drum roll. Banana oat pancake.
Beetroot and bean hummus.
Coconut porridge.
Pasta and homemade meatballs.
Winter superfoods bowl.
Vegetable quesadilla.
Quesadilla. Peanut butter toast with sugar-free jam.
Minestrone soup.
A roasted vegetable and chestnut stew.
Yummo!
Yummers! Yeah, it's gonna be delicious. To make it even easier for you, we've included a shopping list and a meal prep plan so you can get ahead of yourself on the weekend and save time cooking during the week.
It really all sounds amazing. I personally can't wait to tuck into it all.
That's week 3. It's gonna be tasty as. We can't wait for you to try it with us. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button.
And hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a brand new video.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so more people can do Veganuary the right way.
And comments are really valuable to us, so please leave one below.
If you have been following our meal plan, we would love a testimonial. The email address is here, and if you could tell us how this meal plan has made you feel, has it made you feel healthier, lighter, more confident, we'd love to know. Ping us an email.
And that basically sums us up.
Week 3, bish, bash, bosh!